Welcome. It is City So here live in Germany, and we're here to bring you all the latest information about migration, integration, asylum, and any migration politic in Germany. So today we're going to talk about the new bill introduced in Germany. So I just want to make sure that you are all informed and know what is this bill all about.
Bill of measures aimed at making it easier for authorities to repatriate certain irregular migrants. The draft seeks to make it easier and faster to deport people who are still in the country despite not having the legal right to stay, for example, because their asylum request was rejected.
So as far as I'm concerned, if you're an asylum seeker in Germany and you do apply asylum in Germany and you are in Germany, please let you know this. If your asylum is rejected, please, two things involved. It's either they reject you or you appeal. Make sure you appeal for it, but make sure you find options for you. The German government, they already, introduced a new bill that will make even deportation easy and very fast. When I say fast, I mean very fast. From 10 to 28 days, sack, brothers. So which is very fast. So this is not only about Gambians, but for all asylum seekers in Germany. Let's just go through what this legislation is all about. So I'm going to read through Euronews so that you are already informed about everything contained to the legislation and what does that mean for you. Okay, the new German legislation aims to make it easier to deport asylum seekers, failed asylum seekers. So it goes. The German cabinet approved legislation on Wednesday that is intended to ease deportation of unsuccessful asylum seekers in Germany. The German cabinet has granted its approval to legislative proposal on Wednesday with an aim of streamlining the deportation process for unsuccessful migrants in Germany. Chancellor Olaf Scholz is actively working to address the issue of migration in the political landscape. Therefore, brothers, informed. Like I said, the German cabinet approved already the legislation on Wednesday to intend an easy deport undocumented migrants. The draft legislation, contingent upon parliamentary endorsement for implementation, encompasses several key provisions. Notably, it intends the maximum period of pre-deportation detention from 10 days to 28 days, and specifically expedites the deportation of individuals affiliated with crime organizations. So you be very, very careful if you're an asylum seeker that you try by all means get out of anything that would put you to this part of things that they disclose. Being, somebody who is part of any crime or any criminal organization, it's very important. The proposed legislation for the grant the authority to power conduct residential searches to ascertain an individual identity, indefinite, and in some instance eliminates the obligation to provide advance notice of deportation. So guys, to be honest with you, they are creating so much power. They want to give more power to the state than the asylum seekers. So guys, be prepared. Like I said, on my last videos, I told you guys the newcomers have to be informed that the asylum and the migration politic here is going to be intense, and there are going to be a lot of changes. And now we can see within some days, it is there. So let's just talk about how many high numbers that we are talking about when it comes to Germany. So and we will talk about the political safeguard here. It's really crazy. It's really crazy. So let's talk about also the challenges of repatriation. Guys, be informed, and I repeat it again. This bill is already accepted and it is approved, to make deportation easy and very fast. So now I'm just going to read through Euronews the challenges of repatriation. Although Germany has deported approximately 27% more individuals this year compared to the previous years. So, and Gambia is part of those countries. The new legislation demonstrates the need of German government for more actions to be taken. Like I said, when the Gambia, the draft that they, agreed with Gambia, win and win situation, I said it's bullshit. There's no win and win situation in this. The majority of the rejected asylum seekers in Germany are allowed to stay temporarily. What they call what? With Duldum. These are people with Duldum for various reasons, including medical conditions. You could be easily, stayed for the moment because of that condition, having a child with resident status. Wala na kunung mbaka chakan ko mulmi along ko. And I'll be doing all sorola. I'll make sure more clear to the family going to quite doing so if you have a child with somebody with a resident status, then it's easy for you to stay because they cannot deport at that moment. Or difficult in obtaining proper identification. So new German man solution meron ka final coming forward but the banko mento and it's not very clear to them and there's no evidence that coming to banko they cannot deport you, which they need, to deport somebody else for. However, deportation can encounter obstacles for multiple reasons, including those addressed by the legislation, as well as uncooperative attitudes from the home countries of migrants. Walam ko, deportation from the uncooperative country like Gambia, if after the more deport la nyata banko more mansong, or the people didn't allow that, though there will be consequences, but anytime. But nyata coming ko government mansong or an state na mulu for Gambia do la wulti akola by mansong akola, then it would happen at that moment because, slow, for coming young, as well as uncooperative attitudes from the home countries of the migrants. Germany is actively working to establish agreement with various nations to address these challenges, while also promoting legal immigration opportunities. Gambia can follow a win-win situation. Bullshit! Bullshit. There's no win-win situation for Gambia at this moment for this. The German needs for faster asylum application and deportation also comes with 215,841 people have either pending asylum applicants or are in ongoing appeal proceeding against decision of their application. As of December 2021, with a further 186,640 rejected asylum seekers living in Germany for so-called adulterated or Croatian person. Like I said, this is the information. The German government, they accept the bills to reject asylum seekers to be deported very fast. Thank you guys, and I hope that you will take this information very, very important. Allah barakabak.